Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right foundation for perfect scrambled eggs. In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs like a chef. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Next, add a splash of whole milk or heavy cream, about 1 tablespoon per 2 eggs, for richness. Finally, season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious breakfast. The secret to fluffy scrambled eggs lies in proper whisking. Whisk your eggs vigorously for at least 30 seconds, or until they become light and frothy. You want to see no clear streaks of egg white remaining, indicating a fully homogeneous mixture. This process incorporates air, which is crucial for achieving that desirable light and airy texture that chefs strive for. Don't rush this important step. Now for the cooking process, which is key to creamy, tender eggs. Melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in your whisked eggs and let them sit for a few seconds. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this low and slow method, stirring constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes. The final steps ensure your scrambled eggs are perfectly creamy and never dry. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly wet and glossy, not completely firm. Stir in a small knob of cold butter, about 1/2 tablespoon, to stop the cooking process and add extra richness. This technique makes them incredibly smooth. Serve your chef-style scrambled eggs immediately to enjoy their optimal texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.